Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your date of birth in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Booking app, and here it opens up in the search menu. From here we have to go into the profile menu in the bottom right corner, then on manage your account, then on personal details, and here we just tap on date of birth, and here we can enter our date of birth, whatever it is. Let's say, I don't know, 96 December 6th, 95 December 5th, and then we just tap on save, and it's going to save our date of birth. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.